I live with my husband and children in a small but cozy house in San Francisco. The area we live in is a great place for families because it's calm and safe, and there are several parks nearby where children can play. We have almost everything we need here: shops, restaurants, and good schools. The one thing we are missing is a cinema. When we want to watch a movie, we have to travel about 10 miles. But I don't want to complain. We feel very lucky to live here, of course. San Francisco is the city where the ocean meets the hills. It's smaller than New York and Los Angeles, of course, but it's special in its own way, and there is so much to do and see here. The city combines old and new in a unique way. It has a rich and interesting history, but at the same time, it has an exciting future. Today, the city is famous for technology. Big companies like Google, Apple, and Facebook have offices nearby, and there are lots of smaller companies and startups doing well here too. If you're a tourist visiting the city, the good news is that you can see downtown San Francisco on foot. It's not very big. But even if you like walking, you should still get a ticket for the famous San Francisco cable car. Riding a cable car is a great way to discover the different neighborhoods of the city and see some of its most interesting buildings. Not too far from downtown is the famous Fisherman's Wharf. People like to come here to eat fresh seafood and watch the street performers. There's always a lively atmosphere. At Fisherman's Wharf, they serve a special kind of soup called clam chowder. You eat it from bowls made of bread. While you eat, you can relax and watch the boats sailing in the bay. From here, you can also see Alcatraz Island. You have probably heard of it. A long time ago, there was a prison for very dangerous criminals on the island. People used to call it the Rock. Today, it's a museum. The most famous attraction in San Francisco is in the northern part of the city. New York has the Statue of Liberty, while we have the Golden Gate Bridge. In my opinion, it's the most beautiful bridge in the world and something that everyone should see at least once in their lives.